Yo, how's it going, guys? Market just opened, what, 30 a minute ago? A minute ago, so just gonna have to see what's going on. I just hopped on the charts, I'm not gonna lie to you. Just hopped in the shower, got in the shower, got out, having a fresh mind, got my water. Just cleaning these glasses though. Alright, let's see what's. I'm gonna try and speak more clearly, because I've seen my other videos, and, bruh, there be times where I just be mumbling, so definitely need to work on that. Alright, let's see what's going on. So far we're still bearish. 1 hour, sort of the 4 hour. Yeah, still bearish overall. We've already swept this low right here. This low was already swept. Maybe we got this low, but this would just be it. After that, like, if it still continues to go lower, it'd be these lows, and then to these lows. But so far, today's target, I mean, if it still continues, shows signs to continue lower, this would be it right here. Um, yeah, I think that's it. Literally, I think that's it. But if we're finally going higher, if we go higher, show signs that we're going higher, then it would be these targets up here. We have so much buy side liquidity. And then this would be my profit target of the day. This would be it. Because we'd hit this. Is your 4 hour imbalance here? There's this one up here. That would be it. See, this is a daily. Daily imbalance was hit here. Push price lower. See, we did the power of three here. This high to this low. Swept it yesterday. Now we might, yeah, we might push higher. Depends on what the market gives us for sure. That would be it, literally. That would literally just be it. Alright, well, there's too much lines in the way, so let's get to it. So you see, all this buy side, all these liquidity points, all these previous sessions could be drawn liquidity. But that's it if it shows signs of bullishness, or we could just continue consolidating because it's just been like going downhill from here. Just gotta wait to see what happens. Yeah, I don't see no SMT so far. Let's see if there's a high probability. High probability. Sorry, high time frame key level anywhere. Not on the not on the hourly. Just consolidated in the 4 hour. The only thing we might have is literally just this. That'll literally just be it. Yeah. This has to go above. What's the news today? I haven't checked news yet. So we got President Trump speaks at 12. All right. Let's see what he's speaking about. Oh, it's just an investment. Okay. Just an investment. Previous high broken through. We got this inverse right here. $3 million looks really nice right now. Look at that. I'm just gonna take what I see so far. Right time came low. Change to delivery. Previous low. Swept. Inverse or valley gap. Get stepped in. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. Needs to be pressure out. Then we got these highs. We could take a partial up here. Then we could take another partial right here. Let me remove that. Well, just so you guys can see. Let me see close above. Because yesterday I ain't gonna lie, I was nervous. I was a little bit nervous yesterday. First time in a while since I've traded, on a funded. So I was a little bit nervous on that. Definitely could have been a little bit better on that. I should have just taken what I saw, and if it fails, it fails. You know what I mean? And that's all that matters. Like right now, like if it fails, it fails. It was a good trade. Tried it. My model was there. Take what you see, and that's it. That would be my break even. After that, it'd just be a risk trade, risk-free trade. You know what I mean? So nice. Risk-free. There you go, boys. Simple as that. That's all she rose. Saw my model. Took it. Like I said, you take what you see, and that's it. If it starts reversing now, oh well. You took some profits. You're good. So it's not a bad day today. Yesterday was a banger. The day before was also a banger, which is pretty good. But the day before I didn't have it funded. But yesterday is when I got it. There you go. There's another one. It's already risk free. This is all just risk free now. What's ES doing? Let's look at what ES is doing. ES has the potential to reach these highs then. So that means NASDAQ could keep pushing higher with these equal highs until this reaches to this high, then maybe NASDAQ could start reversing from that. So yeah, we might have potential to reach to these highs. This would be nice, for sure. Yeah, we tap these highs. Edging these highs for sure. We still have potential to possibly reach these highs, possibly. If not, then that's cool. Break even. Took two take profits. Chilling after that. Cause I'm already up already on this, so it's already chilling. We're just edging those equal highs. What else do we have? Do we have an imbalance that we might tap into ES? We don't. But we did break this, do this. So if we do, I mean, and we're respecting lows hard, so we might reach to these highs on the hourly. Potentially. Probably PM, maybe. Just depends. There's a lot of imbalance that it might tap into for sure. We got these. Can I edit my like position or something? Wonder if I can. So far I'm up this much right now. I'm up 200 on the day, which is not bad overall. Yeah, I could be risking more, but this is just a test run for now. What I mean by test run, I mean like the buy and limit order, because you know how on paper trading. Let me show you guys on paper. So this. So let's say like yeah, I buy right. It doesn't show this. Like I'm trying to see like so I could show myself and risk like 500 and take as much as I can. You know what I mean? But that's literally what I'm trying to just do. Looks like we're gonna reach these highs for sure. You already took out these equal highs, so we might get into that. So we'd probably be up at least 1%, which is pretty good on the account. So we just need like 6% to pass this. Just 6%. So it'd be like 5 more percent, meaning if I take 1% more trades, then that'd be fine. I could always, like I said, this is eval, so anybody could just full board it, and that's, you know, just. The thing is, I've never passed a funded, so that's the thing. You still need to train my brain and my psychology to be consistent instead of just forcing it and having that dopamine of oh shit I could win this, oh shit I could lose this too, you know. So far flawless, not bad at all. What's ES doing? Into a 15-minute high time frame key level. You know what I used to do? Like this is I would always just wait for like it has to be an SMT. There has to be like, but then through back testing, this is when I was able to realize like yo like I can't find anything. Like I can't. There's not always gonna be an SMT, so there has to be a substitution for that. And my substitution was literally a high time frame KE level. Yeah, we might reach to this 5 minute. Maybe he wants to retrace. Yeah, because if you wanted to retrace, it tap into this imbalance right here. and then after that, start just placing higher. I think it still has potential to reach to this high for sure, though. We got all these highs. Yeah, up 1% already. That's good. Remember, like that's what builds you wealth. Just having consistent, like like profits. Let's say you just up on the one account every time, 1%, 1%, 1%, right? And then especially when you start scaling, like I said, let's do 100K. What's 1% of 100K? It's 1,000. So 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Imagine that. Then you go to 300,000. What's 1% of that? What is it, like 3K? 3K, 3K, 3K. Like, come on now, bro. That's how you guys should see it as that, not as, oh fuck, I'm about to like full port this bitch. Full port. Think you're gonna like, oh, I'm gonna hit one win, I'm gonna be rich as fuck. Like, all this is just consistent, just consistency. Just keep doing it. There you go. There you go. Good win. There you go. Done for the day. So I'm up. 500, 555 on the day. So that's it. That's all she rose, man. That's literally all she rose. Done for the day. This was how long was this trade? So you guys see, look at this. Executions mark. There it is. Enter down here. Exit up here. Exit over here. That's it. So this was a 15-minute trade. 15 minutes. It's not bad. All right. That's all she rose. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, um, and go check out my Instagram and my bio. Check it out. Been posting for about like 55 days already, so just been consistent on that for sure as well. I was started before on that before I started this, and I realized I gotta expand on social media to even make it more booming. So, I mean, but overall, thanks for watching, y'all.